Why? Because here is all your form and activity is different. In Vrindavan, your dress form is that you call Gopaveda. In Kurukshetra, now your dress is royal dress. Vrindavan, when you manifest your form,
you can go a little closer. Thank you.
Very nice, beautiful your thought. Now you are very great, Gambhir, because you are thinking, I am Kshatriya, I am king. Or in Vrindavan, you are always there to mood, I am cowherd boy. And in Vrindavan, peacock feather and on your turban, very nice, beautiful, and Bonafula mala. Or here in Kurukshetra, ye Krishna, now you are no turban, no also peacock feather, nothing, no clothes. In your head, that is called Raja Mukut. Raja Mukut is crown, what is called?
Royal crown.
Royal crown. And your hand also Raja Danda. One stick. Raja Danda. And in Vrindavan, also Danda is there, that is called having the cows. That is called Gocharan Betra. Having the stick of the cows. So these are different. Formation and mood also different, because here also other people, they are completely opposed of Vrindavan. Pandavas, they are all their mood, oh Krishna is Bhagavan, opulence. Or Vrindavan, all the recipients of Vrindavan, you are our only family member. Loko Sadbandhu Prithya. They are to please them. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Here are also many kinds of also circumstances not also favorable for us. Here are so many also sound, pollution, elephants, horses, and the wheels of the chariot making sound, ghar, 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 ghar. Or Vrindavan, Jabuna pulling, the bank of Jabuna, peacock, peahens, they are making sound, cuckoo birds, they are singing nicely. How singing? Cuckoo bird. This is so in Vrindavan is how, and gopis is there. So Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Krishna, please come Vrindavan and manifest your leadership. And Lord Mahaprabhu, same way Mahaprabhu said this way, অনেক মন মোর বৃন্দাবন মনে বনে এক করি জানি তাহার তোমার পাদদ্বয় পরাহ যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা Mahaprabhu. In this material world, people mind is called so-called mind. What is mean mind? Do you mind? What is the mind? Mind means there is sankalpa, vikalpa, atmaka, iti, manaha. Mind means there is sometimes thinking good and sometimes thinking bad. Mind is always
changing,
unstable,
unstable.
Not some way, this way. I'm thinking good, bad. These are coming. But Mahaprabhu told, but my mind is not in Vrindavan. My mind always absorbed in Vrindavan. Aner mon Vrindavan, mone bone ek kori jani. My mind of Vrindavan is not open. Same. Hey Krishna, please manifest your lotus feet in my Hridaya Vrindavan. The Vrindavan of my heart. Hridaya Vrindavan. So this is Mahaprabhu always thinking, Vigraha Nadu Sakshat Bhajendra Nandana. You are not the deity, hey Jagannath, you are not the deity, not Vigraha. Who are you? You are the direct, the son of Nanda Maharaj. Vigraha Nadu Sakshat Bhajendra. Now I am meeting with you after long separation. Then Srimati Radhika, that the mood is coming, same mood of Srimati Radhika, Mahaprabhu saying this way. Hey Krishna, you made us so much love and affection with us. You are dancing, singing. And you intoxicated our hearts. We cannot forget you. So much love and affection. You played the flute. So we also gave up all our household duties and met with you. We gave all the duty and responsibility to society only for your pleasure. Eh? And in Vrindavan you also did many Ras dance, with the dance with us. That is the Rasa Nitya. Eh? And sometimes we did man with you. Eh? And that time we also chastised to you. Eh? And we are so much, that time we also very humble. And we also touch our lotus feet. Eh? In this way, Srimati Radhika she expressed all her sentiments to Krishna. That means Srimati Radhika she reminds to Krishna about Vrindavan's all sweet pastimes. Okay? How did you forget your Vrindavan? How did you forget the gopis? How possibly you forget your friend Subalasidam? How possibly you forget your cows, Samali, Dhavali, the cows? How you forget all the trees of Vrindavan? Okay? Then Srimati Radhika, again another mood coming, because the ocean of divine love and manifested different also there and waves, as like the big ocean, and also many waves are coming up and down. And in the same way, in the Srimati Radhika have different mood coming. Sometimes Brahma Bhav, sometimes Dakshina Bhav. Brahma Bhav, understand? What is Brahma Bhav? Contrary mood. Anger mood. And sometimes also Dakshina Bhav. That is called submission. Submission mood coming. That time Srimati Radhika again also she became very angry with Srimati Krishna. Hey Krishna, okay, I know about the meaning of love. What is the love? Love is just the only the two words, prem, 2.5 words, prem. Eh? 2.5 syllable, prem. 2.5 अक्षर प्रेम के कोई ना जाने ना कोई. ब्रजवासी 2.5 अक्षर प्रेम को जाने ना कोई. No one to know about the meaning of the 2.5 syllables of the prem. Love, prema. Eh? In Sanskrit we are saying prema. So prem, how many syllables are there? 2.5. So for the Raskan also 2.5 अक्षर प्रेम को न जाने कोई. Very few people they know about the meaning of the syllables of 2.5 syllables of love. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika told what is the meaning of love? Love is nothing. Love is just coming from the sound from our mouth. Srimati Radhika in her, what is called, contradictory mood, Brahma Bhav saying this. One day you say, I love you. I embrace you, I kiss you. I love, 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 love. Then next day I don't like you. I don't want to see your face again. What do you do? They hit you alone. This is material world. Just Srimati Radhika saying this word. Love just, this is not registered.
Lip service.
Love is not registered. Eh? What is the meaning of love? Love one kinds of sentiments. Srimati Radhika, just in the material world, she used this word. Love means you are one kind of sentiment. And then these sentiments also, that is called unstable. Huh? Then one day you tell, I don't like you. I don't want to see face again. But what is my fault? There is no question. Huh? Understand? One lover and beloved, they are meeting together. Then suddenly they split. Then asks, lover and beloved asks, yo, what is my fault? She told, what is my fault? But both in here, I don't like it. What is fault? There are no question. Block the all his
Emails, Facebook.
communication. And switch off. Complete. Why am I saying big? Because Srimati Radhika she told this, yes, hey Krishna, what is your love with us? Love is also one kind of sentiments and the one syllable coming from your mouth. So you may forget to us. Actually, this is your teaching word, you know, teaching. Understand now?
Teaching word.
Teaching, so much teaching. And this Srimati Radhika, hey Krishna, no problem. But when you see the face of Mother Jashoda, देखिए बजे से मुख, when you see the face of Mother Jashoda, that time we cannot tolerate it. We cannot salvage ourselves. Why? Because in this material world, everybody can forget all their relatives. but there are no evidence. Eh? The son forget, but daughter forget their
Mother.
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 Eh? There are no evidence. Eh? Only who can forget Putana? Because Putana, she was not real mother. Yes, now coming in this way, so Srimati Radhika, she was teaching what he did. So much. Eh?
Sharp,
Eh?
sharp, piercing words.
Sharp words. Yeah, how possible forget Mother Jasoda? Picture. Her love and affection is easily. Eh? In this also, even also in this material, all kinds of love is what? That is called selfishness. But parents' love is not selfishness.
Yes, actually.
Eh? Their love is coming from this continuous their heart. Eh? This is true. We try to understand. Mother, she loves her baby. Why? Why she loves her baby? Why
Because
do
it's
you
her
love? Why do
baby.
you love your baby? Why the puja? Why not love to me? Why not to me? Question is come.
Difficult question.
Eh?
You can dump him if you take food.
Adoption is not also not coming. If we adopt, this is the impose. Because this is the blood relation. Huh? Blood relation. Our body, everything is coming from your blood. Huh? This is the main thing is that. Huh? And this is these impressions coming from the birth. I gave birth my this baby, this bad baby belongs to me. 1,000 times it says, no. You are completely elucidated. What is called?
Elucidated.
Elucidating.
Elucidate.
Elucidated. This is not your son, not your baby. You don't know. When you gave birth in the hospital, then I also transfer another baby to you. Did I tell you? You also they doing this way. Then you confuse. Maybe. Then what you'll do? DNA. Is it true or wrong? Because modern science already, this baby yours or not.
Investigation.
Investigation coming. Then when the
DNA.
DNA is perfect, 80%, perfect. That time you confirm, yes. 1,000 times you say, no, this is not your daughter. You cannot give it. Because these types of impressions come in. Understand? Mother, she nourishment her baby from birth to death, just giving whole our blood, making the water. रक्त के पानी बना करके बच्चे को पालन पोषण किया, तो ममता कैसे छोड़ देंगे? हाउ विल यू गिव अप दिस ममता? This is impossible. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika told this was, Devi Brajeshwari Rupam. When you see the mother Jashoda's face, that time you cannot tolerate. Because mother Jashoda's love is not just not syllables. Mother Jashoda never she told Krishna, I love you. Everybody can. I love you. Mother, parents, they never say the baby, I love you. Because this love is there automatically, but there is no need to use this word. Other than it is called agantuk. Agantuk, understand? Agantuk is coming, not coming the inside, coming the outside. That's your agantuk.
External.
Understand? No, coming from outside. You love one boy. When you love that the boy? When you mature, when you youth, that you love one boy, but one girl. Okay. Before you did not love. So that is coming his what? Agantuk, just now coming. You understand? First one understand this phrase. One young man and a young boy and a young girl. When they love to each other, when they mature. So I don't say the philosophy, understand this. Before, not love. See, not love to any man or woman. Because she is immature. She does not know the meaning of love. One is for this world, does not know meaning of love. But when she will be mature, 18, 19 years old, that is continuously continuing, searching for the opposite sex, then is using this word the love. Prem kab hoti hai? Premotpatti, you read the Ujjwal Nirmani also. When the prem was coming, what is that? When prem is coming? Premotpatti. You understand? For this that Gopi's love towards Krishna, Rukmini Satyabhama, their love to Krishna, this is the difference. You read that, what is called? Commentary of Jiva Goswami Pad or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Gopi, they love to Krishna from their birth. And Rukmini Satyabhama, they love to Krishna from their from their youth. When Rukmini, she became about to mature and about married, going to marry, and that time she wrote to Krishna. The love is coming. And that is called the love two types. One is called Savan Jata Prem. Three kinds of prem. Savan Jata Prem, Darshan Jata Prem, and Savabhiki Nitya Prem. Janma Siddha Prem. Janma Siddha Prem. Janma Siddha Prem. From your birth. This is their love and Krishna from their birth. That is called Nitya Siddha Bha, Janma Siddha Prem. Rukmini Satyabhama, their prem is here. Sravan Jata. When they heard the glory of Krishna, that time prem manifested in their heart. You read my jewels of the heart. Everything clear in it. That is called Sravan Jata Prem. Rukmini, when she heard the glory of Krishna, when Brahman came and they glorified our Krishna, Rukmini's medicine is going on to Shishupal. That's one day, what is called? After she will be married with Shishupal, her marriage ceremony completely what?
Arranged.
Conformed. Because her brother, what is your name?
Rukmi.
Rukmi. He is very stubborn. No. My sister Rukmini should be married with my friend Shishupal. Her marriage ceremony is complete. Then that night, day before marriage ceremony, that night, Narad Rishi, one Brahman came. Then Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi glorified our Krishna, glory. And then she, that night, she also wrote on the letter to Krishna and sent to Krishna to Dwaraka. Just she wrote, hey Krishna, hey Govinda. Now the food of lion going to the jackal. Krishna wrote this later. Then Krishna came and kidnapped. So that means you have to pray manifest. That is called when they are young or youth. This thing. But Brajagopi, they are praying towards Krishna when? From their birth. But here, how possible? Just I told, when young girl become mature, actually, I tell you it's very simple way. In this material, when they about to come about their, what is called, Stri Dharma, understand? And that time automatically they are the tendency to coming, how to meet with opposite person. This is the nature. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti path, Ujjwal Tika also very clearly explained this way. Before not. Before they are all the prem, that is called, what is called Satcha. Satcha means unstable. I love this boy, I love not, love, sometimes. Okay, now coming this way, coming this subject. So, Rukmini Satyabhama, their love towards Krishna when they become mature. Of Brajagopi, their love towards Krishna when? From their birth. Now question is how possible Bharati? Actually, Jog mein Jiva Goswami Pad explained, actually when Mother Jashoda bind to Krishna, Dambandhan Lila, and that time Krishna completely helpless. Mother Jashoda bind to Krishna, and Krishna now is alone. Even that Sakhas are not coming. All Subal Sudam, they are afraid. So Mother Jashoda now she is very strict. Just bind. Even gopis, they are looking very little bit far. Radha, Lalita, Vishaka, they are also 2.5 years old. They are looking, and they noticed Krishna, how Krishna is completely what? Helpless. And that time from the spontaneous their love coming towards Krishna. So but Vijay Deep Goswami Pad explained, so when Krishna was 2.5 years old and Mother was buying to Krishna, at that time Gopi's prem was Krishna. Actually Gopi's prem, that is called Satasiddhi. Satasiddhi is spontaneous, because they are Sarup Shakti Prakash. But according to the human being Leela, we are saying this way. Are another soup, how many types of prem?
Three.
Three. What is the first is what?
Hunger.
Shravan Jata prem.
Hearing.
So Rukmini Satyabhama, that prem is called Shravan Jata prem. When they heard the glories of prem, that prem comes. Gopi's prem, that is called Janma Siddha, Svabhav Siddha, Nitya Siddha. Going word. Goswami using this word. Or another prem, third type of prem? Darshan Jata prem. Who is the Darshan Jata prem? Kubja. Kubja, when she saw to Krishna, that time her prem. Here prem is means this word, transcendental lust. Transcendental aprakita kaham. When Kubja saw to Krishna, that time she thinking, okay, how to admit this? So three types of prem. Darshan Jata, Shravan Jata and Svabhav Siddha. So now coming to the part here, Srimati Radhika in Ratha Yatra, Sri Krishna is saying this, and that time Srimati Radhika she used these teaching words. You can forget to ask, love is just only few syllables, half 2.5 syllables. You can forget it. But how possible to forget to Mother Yashoda? Because that love is from her blood. I told, baby is coming from the blood of mother. This is the thing. You cannot forget your son. You cannot forget him. This prem love is coming this way. So, Gopi, Srimati Radhika, she told, so how possible you forget to Mother Yashoda? Tell to me. We are not your anything. What is your thing? We are nothing. Okay. Gopi is saying this way. When Krishna told this, when Srimati Radhika told this, Krishna cannot survive. Krishna is shedding tears. Krishna realized the heart of the gopis. And then Krishna automatically remember all the pastimes of Vrindavan, especially Ras Leela and everything. Then Krishna shedding tears. न पारे हैं निरुपतम संजीव ससाधुकृत विबुधौ सापि व जामा दुर्जन गृह सिंकल संवृश्य प्रतिजात साधुना. Krishna only this word told to Srimati Radhika in Ras dance, not other help. So for this Srimati Radhika she told, hey Krishna, how possible to forget to us? Kemon se pasarila. How possible to forget to us? You cannot forget your Brajabhumi. You cannot forget your Brajavasis, residents there. Then Krishna crying and crying. Then Krishna hold the hand of Srimati Radhika and crying, hey Radhe, tell you, this is not my fault. You are saying everything and blaming to me. Why am I far from you? This is true. This is according to the Ishwar. Moi bhakti bhutanang amritayata kalpri jatsino bhavatinang madapanas bhavatinang madapanas jatsino bhavatinang madapanas. Moi bhakti bhutanang amritayata kalpate. Everybody have to do some service to Lord, because all were indebted with the Lord. Bhagwan study dini. Mai bhakti amritayata kalpate. But jatsino madapanas bhavatinang madapanas. But your love and affection That is called unparalleled. And we cannot give any example. Or why you have come here? Bhavadinang madapana. All you are thinking, I am belongs to you. All you are thinking, I am belongs to you. This is the thing. Madapana is there. You understand Madapana? Tadyakta bhav, anadikala madhyakta bhav. You are belongs to me. I belongs to you, tadyakta bhav. You belongs to me. Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Krishna thinking all these things. How do you have love and affection with me? Brajavasi Moor, Jivana Sarup. Hey Radhe, you are my Jivana Jivan. Brajavasi Pranadhan, more Prana Sarup. Tumi more Pranadhan, Jivana and Jivan. All Brajavasi, they are my life. This is true. But hey Radhe, you are my life of my life. Jivan Jivan Sarup. Yeah. Actually, I never forget you. Listen to it. Tumaswari Smarane, and I always remember you and shedding tears for you. But this is my unfortunate Durdaiva. What is the Durdaiva? Yeah, I am now very far from you. Why Krishna is saying in far for you? Far for the Brajavasi or Brajagopis? Two things. External, according to my duty. You are going to far country. Why you are going to far country? Your duty. You have some job or something. This is nature. So Krishna is saying, this is my duty. Because Krishna is thinking, I am Bhagavan. My duty is also protect all the living entities. Not only Brajavasi. I have to protect also Mutravasis. Kamsa, they get so much trouble. So my duty is this. And I have to kill the many demons. This is duty and responsibility. In the same way Krishna is thinking this. So this is my duty. I cannot always take with you. Another thing is very confidential. Krishna is Bhagavan. Bhagavan cannot one-point it with any devotee also. Guru cannot one-point it with one disciple. Simple way. This is Gurudev also told this katha. He has many disciples. In the same way, Krishna has many devotees. Krishna cannot to give up to one devotee to another devotee. But all the devotees, they want to Krishna. The rays of the sun manifest, many rays come. Sun is one, but rays many, reflected many. But all the rays reflected there, and again they one pointed in where? Sun. According to science, just like sun rays come. Thousand rays reflected everywhere. And same rays again reflected in where? Coming back to the sun. What is the example of this? Krishna is Bhagavan. He cannot do one pointed to one devotee. But all the devotees, they one pointed to Krishna. Srimati Radhika, she loves Krishna. Nanda Yashoda, he loves Krishna. Nanda Yashoda, everybody loves. Krishna cannot give up is any smallest devotee also. My modest devotee is called very rich. But he is one pointed. For this reason I can't give up. So Krishna is there. But Krishna here in the frame of Gopi, Rasmadhurja, then Krishna told, I completely indebted the frame of Srimati Radhika. No Parayan Nirvadam Sanjyan Sadhu. Je Jathaman Pabadante, there is a divided. But here is Krishna completely indebted with the frame of Srimati Radhika. Okay? So Krishna crying, Krishna told, hey Radhe, what will do? Yes. This is not my fault. Durdaiva amar karma. And now I am coming very far from you. You sacrifice everything for me. I know. Okay? But what to do? This is the question. Right? Prem is going on. Then Sri Krishna. And Krishna told, hey Radhe, I am coming back soon. Just I will return back to Dwaraka, and just couple demons are there. I have to kill all the demons, and then as soon as possible I return back to Vrindavan. Krishna is called Sattavad. Gopis they faith these things. Satta sajani nitana sattaya. Krishna only speak the truth. So Krishna will return back to Vrindavan. Okay? That is called Bangmai Murti. You understand? Krishna told, here Gopi says, Srimati Radhika, don't worry. You think just almost I arrived in Vrindavan. Just to go, I'm almost coming.
Just nearly there.
Huh?
Nearly there.
Just now coming. Here you go, I'm coming. Eh? This is called Krishna's Bangmai Murti. So Gopis, they have faith with Krishna. Here Krishna is coming. So for this regard, they also going to Vrindavan. Maybe question, why Gopis going return back to Vrindavan? Because Gopis, they hold Krishna Bangmai Murti in their heart. Yeah. Then coming to this also, then Krishna after this Kurukshetra Sangha, that means what is called Suryagrahan, this is finished. Then Krishna returned back to Dwarakapuri. Then Krishna gained all the very quick, he killed all the demons. Then he returned back to Mathura. In Mathura he also came and he also killed Dantavakra. After killing Dantavakra, then Krishna crossed the Jamuna and came in Vrindavan and met with the Gopis. Rupa Goswami was written in Laghu Bhagavatamrita Grantha. Bhagavad not saying in this way, but Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Rupa Goswami Pad very nicely explained this way. Krishna is called Sattavad. And Krishna performed the sweet Rasa Leela with the Gopis in Vrindavan again. Then he took, after a few months, Krishna took all the Braj Gopis and uprooted Guru Vrindavan. Nice. So Krishna is Sattavad. We cannot blame to Krishna. But Prem Rajya is different to it. Ras Madhurya. You know why Krishna is staying? Actually Krishna. So our Tattva Darshan is Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna, Mathuradi's Krishna, Dwarakadi's Krishna. They are staying in the same place. They are not going. That's called no Gatagati. No Gatagati. Not
Coming and
going. Vrindavan Krishna always staying in Vrindavan. Mathuradi is always staying in Vrindavan. Mathura. Dwarakadi is staying. But according to Prakat Leela, just according to our vision, we are looking. Krishna is going to Vrindavan to Mathura, then Mathura to Dwaraka. Actually, this is also not true. Our Jiva Goswami Pad, Krishna Chaturvedi very nicely explained. Akrura, he brought Krishna Balaram, Vrindavan to Mathura on the border of Mulu. Then Vrindavan Krishna disappeared from the chariot of Akrura. Then Mathura, this Krishna seated. But Akrura is thinking, I am bringing Vrindavan Krishna. This is not true. This is Tattva Siddha. In the same way of Prakat, Golok, Vrindavan, there are the three Dham also Mitra. There is no one also Gatagati. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, who came in Kurukshetra, which Radhika she came? That is called Sanjogini Radha. Origin Radha, Visvabhanu Nandini, Kritika Sundari, the daughter of Kritika Sundari, Kritika Putri, Radha. She always staying in Vrindavan with Krishna, but this is invisible, Adrisya. This is Krishna, Adrisya, Radha Vrindavan. Krishna now invisible, staying in Vrindavan. In the same way, Visvabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she was staying in Vrindavan invisible. Right? Then her two extensions. That's called Sanjogini and
Viyogini.
Yogini Radha. Jogmaya she arranged this. Then Sanjogini Radha she came in Kurukshetra. And our Yogini Radha, she was staying in
Uddhav Kyani.
Uddhav Kyari. There is Brahmar Geet and Uddhav came and saw Srimati Radhika transcendental man-made Buddha Mahaprabhu. In this way, our Goswami very nicely, what is called, reconcile all the tattva Siddhanta out there. Why so many questions? Which bring Kurukshetra, which Krishna? Targadhis Krishna. So why Targadhis Krishna is feeling separation from Braj Gopis? Maybe question will come. Then in this way, the person is saying just mood changing again. You are doctor or you are lawyer? Huh? When you are doctor, you are in hospital. That time you are another mood, very compassion mood, because you are taking the caring the patient, very compassion mood. When you are doctor in the hospital, very compassionate mood, very nicely laughing, joking with the patient, and doctor is busy. Or when same person in the court, that time he is very grave, serious, he is lawyer. Person is same. That means the Tattva Darshan is there. Krishna is one. Krishna is one. Is it? But according to Rasa Vichar, then different mode, different Jogmaya also manifest. Krishna is not manifest. But Rasa Darshan, then you say Krishna. And why Krishna is there? In this way, Krishna he is releasing the Viraha Rasa. Because he is not releasing all the meeting Rasa in Vrindavan. Now Krishna is thinking, I have to release Viraha Rasa. So Viraha and meeting and Viraha, both are going on in this way. And as like one coin and one coin, two sides. But both are valuable. But Viraha, nourishment to meeting. Vipralambha, Sambhog ki just deep are there. क्या बोले?
Nourish.
Next portion. तो उसे इनो बिना विप्रलम्भ न Sambhog की मस्त है. ये विप्रलम्भ जो विरह, nourishment to meeting. Sambhog. And how to when then time maybe the big Sambhog will be more and more increased. As like in the ocean, waves are coming. Then waves manifest in the ocean and again also have enter in the ocean. समुद्र से उत्पत्ति होता है, समुद्र में चला जाता है, फिर उत्पन्न होता है. In this way, the ocean is very nice, beautiful. When the big ocean coming, why people are sitting on the beach? Why? They want to looking how the ocean coming, how the waves coming up and down, up and down. If you go Jagannath Puri, you will never satisfy. You more and taking how the big waves are coming. Especially Amavasya Purnima, midnight, you go, it's the sky and making and whirlpool. And making also whirlpool. Why people are going Jagannath for this reason? And making sound over especially if you go Jagannath Puri, and you can come up midnight and especially Purnima Ramavasya and sit on the beach, but not so close the beach.
Tide.
And high tide coming, then it is very big. And as I think and it will fall down. And someday making
So,
same Rajya.
Gurudev, so according to Tattva Vichar, Srimati Radhika and Krishna never separate.
Never separate. Because both the Shakti Mata of it. You cannot separate the fire and the heat of the fire. This is Tattva Vichar. Rasa Vichar separate. That is fire, also heat of fire going there. Maybe 2 meters fire going on. Also this. Okay. Should I go inside?
What's the time?
Eh?
What's the relation you say this Ravan, Rama, and Dasha between this Samanta Sarati, Samanta, and Homsani Samanta?
No, that roti is different.
This Rati is only because the way that brain manifests.
Samartha roti means is that in that roti they completely absolutely control to Krishna. That is called Samartha. Samartha roti. Samanjasa roti means is that they are love divided. Rukmini, Satyabhama, they love Krishna, but their love divided with their children with Krishna also. Because Lokapattu Leela Kaivalam, Krishna performed this Leela also. In this material world. One brahmachari, brahmachari life. He loves his parents. That time all his energy was parents. But when that brahmachari married, that time energy going divided. Half portion going to parents, half portion going to wife. Look. Then again 1, 2, 3 sons coming, also divided more and more. So Rukmini Satyabhama, they love Krishna, but their love and Krishna also now divided. Some going to Krishna, some love 50% to Krishna and 50% going to their children. But gopis, they never married also. Actually, लोग मैं उसी के उसी में जिला से मैं डाकू दिया. So their love and affection 100%, 200%, everything was Krishna. And Rukmini Satyabhama, their Samanjasa means they are automatically divided. Is it good? Divided or no? Then sadharan roti, puja. What is the sadharan roti? When she saw Krishna, that in her prema. That is sadharan roti, generally.
If she's now seeing Krishna, then if she's
And
hearing
that
about
is,
from him,
that is something also, own happiness is there. Pujas in their heart, own happiness also. Huh?
What time is it?
Selfish.
22.
So how this when you get question will come? So how
It's
much
time to go.
Because Puja's love and affection only for Krishna. No selfishness, but only for Krishna. Krishna. Puja from her birth, she did not love to anyone, and no one also loved to her. She did not love anyone, and no one also loved her. Loved her. Who is the person? He was very
Look, help me.
who loved her.
Thank you.
This is the
but Jan must see that because they were born in Vrindavan, if they were born somewhere else, they're not
Janma Siddha from they are Nitya Siddha from their birth. From their birth.
Can you help me with that?
So why? James, like they say, Sarah. He does Sarah, then he becomes Sarah he takes birth in Nitya Vrindavan. Then his friend will be Janmasita also, or only Nitya Siddha?
Jeev Tattva Parikalpa different.
Their friends not
They are probably, actually we cannot use this word. They are for those who are the Sarusakti Prakash, Radha Lalita, they are Sarusakti. Right? And those jivas are liberated and going to there. Yeah? They are service, that is called not same category. Not same category. And they cannot die, their service is not very close. Sometimes Rupamanjari will give service to you, but they also control.
Do you know what? Sometimes they will
Yeah.
on there.
They will control. Yeah. So for this regard, our Goswami is saying, there's a way that is called Durgata Seva, Nikodgata Seva. You understand? Their service very close, intimacy service, good. Lalita, Visakha, Rupamanjari, their intimacy service. Those jivas liberated and going to there, they are mostly service that is called दूर पता चला. That is
At a
your
distance.
service, little bit distance. Okay, they will say, Rupanji, you pick up the flowers, make the garland. But this garland, Rupanjari she will be offering, or Rohita she will be offering. Mostly. Sometimes they will give some chance, but this is very rare.
So the Rati for Krishna is also Samatharati.
Huh?
The Rati for Krishna is also Samatharati. This southern Syria, like the Rati for Krishna also Samatharati.
Amartharati also there. Yes,
Sadhan
this Sadhan Siddhi also
And
there.
also Kamatika.
Pardon?
The frame is also Kamatika. Like
Kamatrika is there.
only there.
Rama Adyo Kamatrika. Then there will be Kamatrika. They will be served under guidance of British government.
वही है, बस उस स्थान पर जाना है, वही रास्ते में.